Click on the Sites tab to see all SharePoint sites in your domain. You can use Search to filter them. Select all or only some of the sites and assign an SLA protection plan to enable regular backups. Click Recover to preview and restore a SharePoint site. You can navigate through the document libraries and folders on the site. In case a SharePoint site has any subsites, you will see them on the left. AFI backs up SharePoint documents, lists, and OneNote notebooks. It also supports Wiki, Classic, and modern web pages. You can preview lists and recover only selected list items. You can also browse the entire directory structure of the document libraries. Use Search if you need to recover a specific version of a file or a folder. The system will show you all distinct versions of the items that match your search criteria. You can switch between recovery points using the calendar control on the right. AFI enables you to restore the entire SharePoint site or only selected items. The data can be restored to another SharePoint site or a user's OneDrive. Click Download to instantly export data offline. If you select individual items, they will be downloaded in their original formats. If you export multiple items or folders, they will be downloaded as a zip file. If you delete an entire SharePoint site from your domain, AFI will keep the backups and will transition the site to the archived status. No new backups are run for archived sites, but you can still search and recover their data. AFI standard licensing is based on the number of protected users, so you don't need additional licenses to protect your SharePoint sites. Thanks for watching. Feel free to start a trial. It only takes a few clicks to set up.